Welcome to Tech and Moto. I'm Mike, and today we're going to install and review the Quad-Lock iPhone holder for your car. I was so impressed with the Quad-Lock on the motorcycle that I went out and bought one for my vehicle. So that way, when I'm driving the car or the motorcycle, it's the same phone holder. We're going to unpack this and get it installed. So the car mount and the charger. The car mount does come with this disc that'll go on your vehicle. I already have one in there. Hopefully it's the same size and it'll work. I won't have to replace it. This is your charger, or the charging head, and it comes with the wire. Now, this one comes off. Slide that off, and you put this head on there. Now I'm going to leave that loose for now until we get in the vehicle and set it up. So this here is the disc that I already have from my other car mount. Let's try it out anyways. So you're going to put it on the disc or on your windshield, wherever you apply it. And then to lock it, you got to turn this like that. Plug it in. Now I'm going to put my phone on this and see where I want this thing to be. All right, so that's in. Now how do I want this? Take that wire out of there. Let's see. Yeah, right there would be perfect. Now, there's a lot of people on previous reviews talking about that this thing doesn't go down far enough for them. To me, that is actually perfect. But this thing's also on a bit of an angle on the dash, angling down. So I don't find it to be an issue. Even if it was flat, it would still work pretty good on the dash. The only time I can see that being an issue, not having enough tilt on this, is if the dash actually curves up, but I find the adjustability on this to be fine. So let me adjust that where I want it. Yeah, that works good. I like that right there. And of course you need the case for the iPhone or whatever phone you have. Once you have that case, it just pretty much just goes right on. Takes a while to get used to the angle. But once you get it, it's easy on, easy off. I do recommend the Quad-Lock systems for bikes and cars. I've been very happy with them so far, and I think they're worth the money. Now, you do have some LED lights on both sides. They kind of tell you what's going on with the charger. You have to look at the manual, but blue just means it's on standby, has power. Green means it's charging and whatnot. Well, I hope this quick video was helpful. Like I said, I do recommend these. I like them. They're well built, and yeah, they're a little bit more pricey in the long run. But you know what? I'm going to tell you, I've had other mounts that are cheaper, and they're all junk. I would not spend the money on cheap mounts. They just don't work well, and they don't hold up well. Well, thanks for watching this video. Appreciate it. You all take care, be safe, and God bless. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.